we have $17,000. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the best channel for binary options, and here you will see best of the best strategies for trading. So let's get started. Don't forget about likes, comments, share this video with your friends, and let's get started. Here we trying different trading strategies. Let's continue. As I said, I hope this trading session will be profitable for you, even if you're a beginner. So we'll see. Today we're going to work with the vortex. Vortex consists of two oscillators that are based on the volatility of trading asset. And there's one thing regarding this indicator: we should use it when we see a clear trend on the chart, right? Let's take this currency pair as an example. We're not interested in flats at all, so I today got 452. Let me just update it. Okay. As always, 1 minute time frame, guys. All currency pairs have been selected. Highest payout rate, of course. I will explain the principle of the strategy during the trading. So let's begin analyzing the market. Actually looks really promising. Let's wait for a new candle to show up, and let's open long position here. Let me clarify. First of all, we take a look at the vortex. The green line crossed the red one, and the green one is heating up, which tells us that this uptrend should continue. Previously the price updated its local low here, right here, and I'm sure that the price will go up. So let's wait. Look at this pump going good. This is exactly what we need, right? Meanwhile, the green line on vortex is going to touch the overbought zone. Great trade entry, guys. So let's enjoy the price movement. And there we go. We're in the profits, 7, 7, and 7. I guess this is a good and lucky sign for us, right? But anyway, strategy works. You see that, kind of easy for you, even if you're a beginner. And there's no luck, only strategy, only mind game. So let's continue and update the amount. Yeah, don't forget about it. So I'm speaking about 777 and not using them. So let's see. Alright, you can see the red line just crossed the green one, and we see this nice downtrend. Let's open a short position here in the direction of the current trend, guys. So the same situation, we saw the same thing on the previous currency pair. We have a clear downtrend on the chart. I think the breakout is inevitable. Have a look at this vortex, guys. The negative moving average is facing up, and it will play out on the chart. Moreover, the price just updated its local high, and it should go lower. There's a second left, and yep, new candle. I like this level. It will work. Perfect trade entry, guys, I could say. So let's have a look. Around 15 seconds left, I guess. And there we go. We're in the profits, $1,250 in the profits. I guess that's good result from that strategy. Not the best payout rate on this currency pair, but anyway, it's fine. Okay, it looks more like a flat, but actually we can consider this area as a small uptrend, right? Yeah, the crossing just happened. I think the price will go to the upside in the direction of the current uptrend. So let's open long. Let's take a look at the vortex, right? The green line just crossed the red one. You may see that. And here's the local uptrend, guys. I'll point out the trend line. The price will rebound from this level. There's no doubt about it. Yep, have a good look at this huge green line right after the crossing on vortex. The price started going up. That's perfect. That's what we love. So let's simply enjoy this pullback and wait. and we're in the profits. That good. Nice signal, perfectly works. So let's update the amount. $2,000 I guess gonna be all right for us, and let's continue. Look at this massive dump. I think it's too risky to open here, so yeah, let's take our time and let's open a short position here. I think this correction will continue dominating, and again we see a strong uptrend on the chart, but still the price should go lower because the red line just crossed the green one on the vortex. And by the way, the moving average touched the oversold zone recently, and after that we see these downward dynamics. And yep, here's the crossing. I think the price should move lower, that's obvious. We count on the continuation of this strong correction. So yeah, and 3 seconds left before the expiration. All right, lower as possible, that's good. All right, $3,500 on our balance. I guess that's nice. That's nice, and let's continue making money. I like the market, but before we have to update the amount. Don't forget to do that too. And let's not stop here. Let's continue. I think it makes sense to open our 3 long positions here. We open with a trend. Let me show you one more time. Here's the local uptrend, right? So there it is. Now if we look at the vortex, we see that the positive line is facing upwards. The crossing was just about to happen, but the line reversed at the last moment, which means that the upward dynamics should continue, right? And after this huge correction, now the bulls should take over. In addition, we have that support zone. So all right, we're in the profits. You may saw that pump, and it's going, still continuing. That's good. Let's update the amount. We're not finishing here. We just warmed up. So yeah. Here's a strong flat. I don't think it makes sense to open here. I wish you understand why. It's not worth taking the risk. What's here? And again, we see a local flat here. This pair is not that good. On the other hand, why don't we play out on this correction? So yeah, I think it makes sense. I think the price will go lower. So let's have a look at the vortex. We see that the negative line is in a support. Negative line is in a upper part of the chart, which means the downward dynamics should continue. We also have the support zone here. And the price should retest it according to logic, because we have the flat here. So let's watch the price movement. Nice. I was scared about this volatility. That's bad, but still our position ended up in a profit, and quite awesome profit, I could say. So yeah, we have $10,000 on the balance. Let's continue. Why do we have to stop? Here's the same flat situation, guys, but it's fine. We can work with this. Let's open our short positions. We count on the continuation of the downward dynamics. And again, we see that the negative line is moving towards the overbought zone on vortex. Yeah, just look at this breakdown just happening like right now. I like it. Perfect trade entry level. Also, we don't have a clear trend on the chart. We can play it out this way. The price updated its local high recently, and now it's time for correction. So yeah, 15 seconds left before the closing. Let's see. Nice guys, we're in the profits. We have $17,000. Do you understand how much is it? That's good. So yeah, let's withdraw them. All right. Continue button. Request has been sent. So this is the strategy, guys. Try it on. Waiting you in my Telegram channel. You may ask me any question. We will work together and start working out. So have a good market. Bye bye.
So guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, I appreciate that, and of course subscriptions. After you subscribe to my Telegram channel and text me, you will get a $300 draw. So I want to help you. I want to help you to start, and 3 lucky subscriber will get $100 on their balances from me, like a gift. So guys, let's get started so you can get it too.